Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate cash sweep options with Fidelity step by step clearly. To activate cash sweep options with Fidelity, start by visiting the Fidelity website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Cash Management. Look for the Cash Sweep option within the Cash Management menu. Click on the Cash Sweep link to access the Cash Sweep settings. You will see an overview of the Cash Sweep program and its benefits. Read through the information provided to understand how the program works. Locate that Activate button or link to start the activation process. You may be prompted to review the terms and conditions of the Cash Sweep. Carefully read through the terms and conditions presented. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Now, proceed by clicking the Continue button. You may be asked to select your preferred cash sweep options from the available choices. Review the various options and select the one that best meets your needs. After making your selection, click on the Next button. Verify all the details and options you have chosen. Ensure that everything is correct before finalizing your activation. Click on the Submit button to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your cash sweep options have been activated. Check your email for any follow-up communication from Fidelity regarding the activation. You can now manage your cash sweep options directly through your Fidelity account. Feel free to return to this section anytime to modify your preferences as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.